Alright, Richie Leahy here. Today I'm going to review the EduKit 3. Now I don't have this one all connected for this video, but it does have sort of like a motion sensor and another sensor here. I will say that if you get this kit for kids compared to the other ones, this one is a little bit harder to set up. It's a little bit cleaner too. Like they can decorate the wheels. It's definitely better for hard floors with the bearing type wheel on the front there. And then the two motors, keep in mind, because I didn't know this off the bat, that the power here, the battery kit that comes, is only enough power to handle the wheels. So that's going to go ahead and provide that power. You're still going to need to provide another power source for the Raspberry Pi itself. So if I plug this in, then you're going to be tethered to kind of the wall, which is how I ended up doing it, which is why I don't have it hooked up right now. And then when you run the scripts, since you're not really seeing the screen unless you're running another cable to see the screen as you kind of go through, you could do it remote from another computer and try to run it that way. What we ended up doing is running it blind with a keyboard, try to get the kids to set it up with keyboard commands that kind of go forward and back. It kind of worked. It was definitely tough to find those keys, and I don't even think I have the script anymore. We kind of just played around with it. I tried to set a controller up. I never got the controller to work, even though the Bluetooth could be identified. But here's the kit. We didn't really do much with the car. We do have a cap for it that we can kind of put on with some of the extra pieces I have here, so that you can kind of go through and have that set up. So it would be enclosed if you have another external power source. So if you're going to get this kit, keep in mind that if you're trying to make an actual robot car, you're going to need some additional parts that you may have, I didn't have. And so we ended up having to run it blind with a keyboard tethered to, and then at that point I had already hooked up an external monitor, and it got quite messy. So if you have any other kits that you've done, let me know. The Raspberry Pi is definitely great for learning for kids, so I'd highly recommend it. But thanks for watching, and please subscribe.